Sterling Group Services are a complete provider of your external works. Everything from your landscape maintenance, both greenkeeping and horticultural, to your larger one-off projects, whether they be landscape construction or civil construction. Sterling can provide all of that. We've worked in many different school environments, both independent schools and government-run schools, and also universities. Through the vast experience Sterling Group have over many years in the school environment, we know what's expected. We have to work around the student body and also the educational facilities. We know when we can get in there and make noise and get things looking good, and we know when we need to make ourselves pretty scarce. We know that the landscape and how your school is presented, the first thing they see is what's outside, your lawns, gardens, the trees, and that leaves a pretty important first impression on anyone who uses your facility. Sterling can provide a unique service with everything from our safety management system being third-party accredited to having experienced professional staff on a range of services. So with greenkeeping, the preparation and maintenance of turf wickets and sporting surfaces, so the rugby ovals always being ready in premium condition with huge usage. So school games, training, and everything in between. We can also manage all of your trees on site through arborist services and also implementing the TRACS system to record and manage the health of your trees on site. This can help you assist to make sure everything is safe and that you can use all of your grounds all of the time.
At Sterling, our landscape construction division focuses on providing construction services to a number of sectors, including education, development, builders and government. I've been working in the industry for 25 years now. I've progressed from an apprentice landscape gardener through to a tradesman, a foreman, a project manager, and now I'm the construction manager for Sterling Group. I've been at Sterling for 3 months now. I came to Sterling for a new challenge from my last company. I'm looking to grow this landscape construction division from its current size to be a leader in the industry around the Sydney and New South Wales and beyond.
Sterling Group Services have recently been successful with the tender at Sydney Olympic Park for mowing services. This was due to the implementation of a new machine called a Spider slope mower, and also using larger equipment than we have in the past with a Toro 5900, so a winged broad area mower, providing a service that not many people can. The machine that we've implemented there, the Spider mower, is something that's unique to Sterling Group at this point, and it helps us to be able to provide an extremely safe service as it's a remote control machine and there's no operator required to get into a dangerous position, whether that be on a steep slope or in areas that may have dangerous wildlife and the like in and around it.
Sterling Group have looked after Oak Hill College now for around 10 years. We started off firstly with the cemetery maintenance, which was only 2 hours a week on a fortnightly basis. From there we moved on to managing the sports fields and then into the garden, so we do all the maintenance of all the facilities here at the school college. Lachlan's been at Sterling Group now for around 5 years, started as apprentice horticulturalist, working at St Patrick's College at Strathfield. We decided with his good work ethic and skills that he'd got down at St Patrick's that we'd move him on to a bigger and better job being Oak Hill College, which he looks after the grounds here now.
All I did was maintain all the ovals, basically constant maintenance, prune all gardens and get sporting fields and cricket wickets ready and mark all ovals for any other sporting events like soccer or rugby. The Oak Hill teachers, we get along well. I get good feedback, they're nice to work with.
Lachlan's doing really well. He's obviously transformed the fields here in the last few months for the cricket season, and we're really happy with the progress that he's making, and his next step will be to go on to a first grade cricket wicket or another bigger private school.
Well, but working at Oak Hill, I really enjoy working on all the sporting fields because I enjoy sport, I like watching sport, so preparing cricket wickets and stuff, I enjoy that, and working outside, it makes life good.